TNA Impact, TNA Impact, TMNT, TMNT. Fight Night Round 3. WWE SmackDown vs. Raw 2008. Developer Yuke's Amaze Entertainment. Isaiah Colin. Way of the Samurai 3. Way of the Samurai 3. Samurai Shodown Zen. Fight Night Round 4. Persona 4 Arena. Persona 4 Arena. UFC Undisputed 3. Guilty Gear Roman 20. Garou Mark of the Wolves. Developer SNK Playmore. Dead or Alive Code Chronos. Dragon Ball Z Budokai Tenkaichi. Developer Spike. Mortal Kombat vs. DC Universe. Developer Midway Amusement Games LLC, Warner Bros. Interactive Entertainment. Naruto, Rise of a Ninja. Developer Ubisoft Montreal. King of Fighters Roman 12. Developer SNK Playmore. Naruto Shippuden, Ultimate Ninja Storm Generations. Developer CyberConnect1. Street Fighter Roman 3 Third Strike. Soulcalibur Roman 2. Developer Project Soul More Soulcalibur Roman 2 1601 of 2039 Sony PlayStation 2 games. List of PS2 console games 206 of 1371. The 100 plus best video games of all time. Ranked by fans 51 of 119 the best video game sequels. Rumble Roses Roman 20. Developer Yuke's Konami. Super Street Fighter Roman 2 Turbo HD Remix. Developer Backbone Entertainment. Naruto Shippuden, Ultimate Ninja Storm 3. Developer CyberConnect1. Soulcalibur Roman 4. Street Fighter X Tekken. Developer Dimps Capcom. Dead or Alive 5. Developer Team Ninja. Virtua Fighter 5. Developer Shodown 2. Dead or Alive 4. Developer Team Ninja. Soulcalibur V. Developer Namco. Tekken 6. Tekken 6. Street Fighter Roman 4. Developer Dimps Capcom. Super Street Fighter Roman 4, Marvel vs. Capcom 2 New Age of Heroes, Marvel vs. Capcom 2 New Age of Heroes, BlazBlue Calamity Trigger, Developer Arc System Works. More BlazBlue Calamity Trigger 22 of 29 the best anime fighting games of all time, 281 of 535 the best Xbox 360 games of all time, rank. Injustice, Gods Among Us. Developer NetherRealm Studios. More Injustice, Gods Among Us 50 of 177, the best video games of the 2010s. Ranked 46 of 57, the best multiplayer games on Xbox Game Pass. Persona 4 Arena Ultimax, Marvel vs. Capcom 3 Fate of Two Worlds, Developer 18 Company Limited, Capcom, Tekken Tag Tournament 2, Developer Namco Bandai Games.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.